So in this video, I'm doing a box open for, this is a wireless controller for the Switch, and it's off of Amazon, and it's made and sent from China, but it's called Yudeg, Y-U-D-E-G. It's not a name brand. There's no big thing about it, but it's got one of the highest ratings on Amazon, and these guys are amazing. So I just want to do a box open for you guys so you can see it real quickly. What's in the box? Get this turned right here for you guys so it's a little bit easier to see. All right. See if I can get it to come out the right way. Okay, this is a bit easier to open than some of the other boxes I've opened recently. Inside the box, got the controller information, some instructions on how it works. This thing gets really great ratings for how it feels when you use it. So, and this is instructions for pairing. So if you need it, take screenshots of this real quick. Just pause the video, take screenshots if you need it, if it didn't come in your box and you got this controller. But also in the box comes the controller itself. And that is it. And you guys, this thing feels great. I'm not kidding you. Again, 15 bucks versus 60. I'm just saying, or 49, whatever. Oh, great, great, great stuff. Boom.